Your Facebook login is stuck. The app keeps asking for a two-factor authentication code. But that code is going to WhatsApp. And you don't have access to WhatsApp anymore. No password. No email you remember. No backup codes. Most people panic here. But today, I'll show you how I regained access using Facebook's own recovery options. And yes, this works even in 2026. Don't skip a single step. Hey everyone, welcome back to Prayophony. If you're new here, this channel is all about real-world tech problem solving. Not theories, not fake hacks. I've spent years dealing with Facebook login failures, 2FA lockouts, account access recovery issues. And in this video, I'll show you exactly what to do when Facebook's two-factor authentication blocks your login and the WhatsApp code is simply not reachable. Step 1. Attempt normal login. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Enter your registered phone number or email, your password, then tap Login. At this stage, everything looks normal. Step 2. 2FA screen appears. Now Facebook stops you and says, enter the code we sent to your WhatsApp. This is where most users get stuck. Because WhatsApp is no longer active, the number is changed or lost, or the device is gone. So you're locked out, or at least it feels that way. Step 3. What this tutorial will solve. Today I'll show you how to continue login without WhatsApp access, how to use fallback verification options, and how to regain account access without panic. This is a clean, official method, and it works if your number is still linked. Quick reminder, if this kind of problem-solving content helps you, support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. It helps this video reach more people who are stuck just like you. Now let's move forward. Step 4. Tap Try Another Way. On the 2FA screen, look at the bottom. You'll see Try Another Way. Tap on it. Now Facebook reveals multiple verification options such as get code via WhatsApp, get code via Gmail, enter your password, get a code or login link via SMS. Most users don't even notice this screen. But this is where the solution lives. Step 5. Evaluate your situation. Let's be realistic. In my case, WhatsApp access is gone. Password is forgotten. Email is not accessible. So logically, only one option remains. Get code or link via SMS. This works because your mobile number is still connected. Facebook keeps SMS as a recovery fallback. It's designed exactly for cases like this. Step 6. Verify using SMS. Now tap Get Code or Link via SMS. Within a few seconds, Facebook sends a verification code or a secure login link. Check your SMS inbox. Enter the code or tap the link. Take your time, don't rush. Step 7. Access restored. And just like that, you're logged back into your Facebook account. No WhatsApp required. No password needed at that moment. No risky methods. Everything done through Facebook's official system. Post-login security tip, value add. Once you're logged in, I strongly recommend update your password immediately, add a backup email, save recovery codes, review connected devices. This prevents future lockouts. Strong outro, authority plus trust. If Facebook 2FA ever blocks your login, don't assume your account is gone. There's almost always a fallback option. You just need to know where to look. If this video helped you, like the video, share it with someone who's stuck. Subscribe to Prayophony for more real solutions. I don't teach shortcuts. I teach what actually works. See you in the next problem-solving tech video.